Ever looked at a mountain of research papers and felt completely lost? Like, how do all these fit together? Who's collaborating with whom? Which papers sparked the next big thing? I've been there too. But don't worry, I'm about to show you a simple way to untangle this chaos and see your research connections in a whole new light. Think of it like mapping your social network, but for research. We start with circles. Each circle can be a paper, a researcher, or a lab. Then, we draw lines between them to show how they're connected.
Simple, right?
What you're really doing is creating a map of who knows what and who's working with whom in your field. Let me give you 3 examples of how researchers use these maps in real life. Tracking paper connections. It's like building a family tree of ideas. If you're trying to trace the origins of a concept, this is your go-to tool. Mapping research teams. Great for spotting collaborators or understanding which labs are doing work that complements yours. Topic mapping. My personal favorite. It shows you what's trending and where the gaps are, basically, a shortcut to figuring out what's hot and what's waiting to be explored. Now, let's talk about the real magic. These maps aren't just for show. They can completely change how you approach your work. I've seen people use them to find the perfect collaborator, spot emerging research trends before everyone else does, track how ideas evolve and spread, and even plan their next big project by identifying underexplored areas. This isn't just theory. Real researchers use this to get ahead every day. You don't need a computer science degree to start mapping. Here are some tools to try. Gephi, great for beginners, easy to use. Vios Viewer, makes stunning maps with minimal effort. Cytoscape, for the adventurous, it has some advanced features that are worth exploring. And the best part? Most of them are free. Before you dive in, here are a few tips I've learned the hard way. Keep it simple. Don't try to connect everything at once. Use colors that help make sense of the data, not confuse you. Focus only on what matters to your specific research. And save multiple versions. You'll thank yourself later. Making sense of research doesn't have to be overwhelming. With visual maps, you can turn that mountain of papers into something actionable. They've helped me and countless others find new collaborators, uncover trends, and create better research strategies. If you want more tips and tools that actually work, check out Editverse.com. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and share it with your research buddies. Links to everything we talked about are in the description below.